Welcome again for our next dish using again our
The Good Choices Longganisa, vegan and plant-based.
Yes. Previously, we used the Longganisa for our croquettes. Now, we're going to use it for another dish para makita nyo yung versatility ng Longganisa ng TGC.
Oh.
Camille's invention. Tuturuan ako ni Camille how to cook yung itong pasta dish na to. Ano ba tong pasta dish na to?
It's basically fusilli in olive oil with a lot of vegetables. So, today we'll be using bell peppers and frozen mixed vegetables that you can get anywhere in the grocery. Just to show you that the Good Choices Longganisa is good for making pasta dishes.
So, bali, ang pinaka-base niya is the Longganisa. Parang yun yung meat
Yes.
ng pasta. Let's begin?
Let's start. Yes. Siyempre, we always start with preheating our pan.
Yes. And then, we'll put
We'll
some
add olive oil.
mga gano'ng karami?
2 tablespoons. 2 to 3 tablespoons.
2 to 3.
Yes.
Okay, so para hindi ko na i-measure, napanood ko somewhere, you can actually measure 1 tablespoon once worm. So, since 3 tablespoons, 3 squares.
Yes.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
So, this is an oil-based pasta, tama?
Yes, it's an oil-based pasta. So, ang highlight talaga na would be the vegetables and also the flavor of the longganisa.
Yeah.
So, now that the oil is hot,
We will put in...
the longganisa.
Okay.
Okay. Then we'll already crumble it in the pan as we cook it. No need naman to crumble it na very finely. Just okay pa rin yung may whole pieces that will be left intact.
Okay, so next, Camille,
We're going to add the garlic. So this is mga 4 cloves of garlic. Then we can add in the rest of the vegetables, the mushrooms, we have the mixed vegetables, celery, and the bell peppers. Just add it all in.
tignan natin.
Okay.
Try pa natin ng konti yung nakabete. Dagan pa natin konti salt.
So we're going to add salt, roughly mga 1/2 teaspoon. And then we're going to put pepper.
Next, we'll add in the pasta.
The pasta.
Pwede pang dagdagan ng konting salt. Tapos, nalagyan ko pa ng konting pasta.
Okay po, sasabay na po yung salt.
Tapos, dagdagan ko na lang din ng pepper. Nalagay na namin yung cheese. Ang ginamit ko na cheese dito is vegan mozzarella.
Yes.
Nalagay na natin para mas creamy yung pasta. Para matutunaw yung cheese doon sa pasta.
Para mahalo natin siya ng mabuti.
We have our second dish. This is fusilli with longganisa and veggies.
vegetables.
Yes. So, tingnan natin.
Yes. Cheers.
Yes. Ay! Ulit. Toot! Meron yan, mag-ano yan, mag-versions yan. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Dami.
Sobrang ang dente ng noodles at saka ng vegetables.
Sigurado magustuhan naman ito ng kids, no?
Yes.
Kahit yung mga matatanda, sure yan.
For adults, pwede nyo yung chili flakes. You want.
Kukuran nyo na lang ng chili flakes. So, dito nakikita nyo how versatile yung TGC Longganisa natin. You can use it for our croquettes, and now we used it for pasta. So, try it at home and get your TGC Longganisa
From Plant-Based&More.
Yes, from PB&M. Thank you again for watching. So if you like this video,
Please like, share, and subscribe.
and see you again on our next episode.
Thank you!
Thank you! Bye! Patikim natin.